Introducing the Chef Basket, the new cooking dynamo that transforms itself for dozens of everyday uses. Making pasta can be an adventure. Ouch! You have to grab tight with pot holders. Oh no! There must be a better way. But with the Chef Basket, you simply put in your pasta and put it in the pot. Now look, that water is rapidly boiling, but the specially designed handles are totally cool to the touch. Amazing! When the pasta's done, just grab the handles and go right from the pot to the plate. Leave that hot pot alone until it cools. Simply flip down the handles and it's a freestanding colander. Rinse your potatoes, flip the handles back up, and go right from the sink to the pot. Cook in the Chef Basket and go right from the pot to the plate. It's that easy. Flip it over and it stays above the water for perfectly steamed veggies every time. The uses are endless. Cook shellfish like succulent shrimp, blanch broccoli to perfection. Cook hard-boiled eggs and go right from the pot to ice water. Always intact, never a crack. It's also the ultimate deep fryer. Simply drop in your French fries and cook. Even in hot bubbling oil, the handles remain cool to the touch. Cooking is quick, easy, and safe. It takes the place of all these clunky items, but the Chef Basket folds flat like this for easy storage anywhere. The Chef Basket is a must for any kitchen. A tremendous value at just $14.99. Order today and find out about free shipping, but call right now and we'll double the offer. That's 2 for just $14.99. But you also get the amazing Everlast Chef Knife. It never needs sharpening. The razor-sharp blade goes through a nail and still slices a tomato wafer thin. You can cut right through bone, slice meat like a deli machine, zip through vegetables with ease. You get 2 Chef Baskets